So hi guys, I'm going to do my unboxing of my summer decor, starting out with some new stuff. Well, not a lot of new stuff. I have this right here. This is a artificial lemon arrangement that I got from Dollar General. This was $5. I have done one of these budget decorate videos. I did one for Christmas, I did one for Valentine's Day, then I did one for spring because I couldn't find all of my stuff. So now I'm doing summer. So let's see. We're gonna start out with the lemons in this container, and I think I got this for $6 at Goodwill, so always check your Goodwill. I got this whole thing. Some of the lemons are falling out, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take some of these lemons out probably and use them in other areas of the house or whatever, but that's something that you can get is stuff from the Goodwill. This right here came from Dollar General last year. This is a menu board. You could use this also, like, you know, it's a menu board, but I was thinking I probably could put this in my coffee bar area and use it for, like, you know, coffee, tea, because it's just a menu board. You can put other foods on there, I'm pretty sure, and drinks. Then, and that was $4. I found these from Dollar General last year. I didn't open them just for decoration. These were $1. It says Hello Sunshine, and also the lemon napkins for $1. And then I found this right here. I can't remember if this was Dollar General or Family Dollar. One of them. I have a haul, so if you want to know exactly where I got this from, I will link the haul. These also were from Family Dollar for $1, since we could use these to eat off of, but I also have been using this for decoration. This stuff is dusty and stuff. I need to clean it. This Dollar Tree, $1 a plate that you can put up on a display. And I have a little plate, like, display thing that I use for all the seasons. This was from Dollar General for $1, and it says Squeeze Today. So that's from last year. And then I have my towels that I will be putting up on my stove. And then I have my pot holders, Dollar Tree, and then these right here. These are just those. And I already have some white and yellow flowers out, but Dollar Tree, of course, for the sunflowers and the flowers. And then this video isn't too long, but I'm going to share with you my first DIY. I'm not doing the DIY, but I'm going to show you how it turned out. I think for my first time, it turned out pretty good. So I will show you guys what I've been working on, and I'm going to be displaying it in my coffee bar area. So I have more of my first DIY, and I made fake cupcakes, and they look really real. Everybody was like, those things are dangerous, but the way that I made mine was I used salt dough, and then I used the caulk. You can use the spackling, but my Dollar Tree didn't have any spackle, so I just used the salt dough with the caulk, and then I used the beads for candy. So these are two of the ones I made. I may try to make these on a video. I don't know. This is not easy. This took a lot of muscle to push this stuff out of that container. So I think the spackling would be better. But I'm going to be playing around with different, you know, DIYs and crafting. And this was really fun. And it was very relaxing, by the way. So this is my DIY. So you guys remember I was looking for my summer decorations and spring decorations. I couldn't find them. So I bought this. And I don't need all of this lemon decoration stuff. So I'm doing a giveaway, and I'm going to be giving away this set to one of you. All I want you to do is down in the comment section, let me know what you plan on doing this summer, what's your favorite thing to do in the summer, or you can just put your favorite summer theme if you want to enter this giveaway. So just let me know down in the comments. Follow me on Instagram, and I also want you to put a comment on the Instagram post. That will be the thumbnail for this video. So stay tuned for that, and I will talk to you guys in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.